Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Para sa akin, merong isang part sa iyo na always pwede mo namang gawin. And maaaring maging toxic ang tingin mo sa advice ko na to. Pero kapag ginawa mo ito, actually, babaliktad ang sitwasyon. I know it is not morally correct or morally correct. Nahirapan na tuloy ako. I mean, it's not morally correct to do this. But I want you to do this. At least you are completely 100% self-aware na ito ang pinagagawa ko sa'yo. And I'm always saying this, para sa mga disclaimer, it's not morally correct. Kung gusto mo mag-sorry ang ex mo sa'yo, gawin mo yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. Ano yun? Play the victim card. That's it. Play the victim card. You should feel that you are victimized by this. You should feel na ikaw ang kinawawa by this. You should feel na kahit kasalanan mo ay kasalanan niya pa rin by this. You should become delusional from time to time. It will work. Do not worry, it will work. I'm not giving you an advice na walang kakwenta-kwenta. I'm giving you actually medyo realistic na advice. Because what you believe will become you even though it's delusional. Whoever man ang may kasalanan, kahit ikaw pa ang nag-cheat sa relasyon, I want you to play the victim card. Just do it. Do it perfectly. Ikaw yung biktima, ikaw ang nagmahal, siya ang may kasalanan ng lahat. I don't know, man, but this one is working for centuries na. I mean, I've been with multiple clients and my own experiences and everything about it. Every time you play the victim card, your ex or your relationship partner will feel guilty. And that's what you want to happen, right? That's the video all about. Kaya nga kinlik mo to eh. Huwag kang magagalit kapag binigyan ka ng medyo risky na advice na wala sa moral code mo. Alam ko, hindi ito yung hinahanap mong advice. Pero tatandaan mo, hindi mo pinindot ang channel ko para matuto ka ng morality. Kung gusto mo nang matuto ng GMRC or Good Moral and Right Conduct, bumalik ka ng high school. Di ba? O kaya, pasok ka ng college. At least doon, makikita mo kung paano maging moral. Getting your ex back ang topic dito. And how to manipulate your ex. So do not expect me to teach you some sort of childish things na magiging mabait ka at ang ending ikaw ang bida. No, I'm not gonna do that here. If you want to get revenge on your ex, you should be the villain. You should be the master of psychology. You should be manipulator. I know it's kind of dark. I know it's kind of not pleasing, but we don't have a choice. Always play the victim card. Just do the no contact rule. Apply it. Isama mo na yan. And if you want to get your ex back in a full condition, give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach so we can have one-on-one coaching for that. But not that one. I'm not done yet. Okay? Kasi alam ko na napaka-valuable ng ex mo sa life mo. And I'm just being realistic when I say na for all of you who's doubting the one-on-one coaching, do not doubt that. Ang mga testimonies testify itself na they can get their ex back in 100% condition. Basta ginawa lang nila yung mga specific instruction dahil sa mga specific stories na meron sila. But regarding the topic today, if you want your ex to apologize or to say sorry to you, you need to become a little bit dark. I don't know, I'm not good at teaching this thing, but you feel that there's something off and there's something weird. But at the end of the day, it will work. Nothing to worry about that one. Nanood ka ng video na to get your ex back. And do not worry, that's my plan. You can get your ex back by that one. Just play the victim card, please. Do not doubt it. Pwede mo kasing sabihin sa akin na, Coach, kasalanan ko eh. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Just play the victim card. Maaaring sa una, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung victim card kasi sa unang stage, sasabihin ng ex mo na, sadala, kasalanan mo, kasalanan mo. Pero eventually, after long period of time, mga weeks lang or months, magwo-work na yung magic na yan. Huwag kang mag-alala, just trust me. This one never fails me, okay? This one never fails me. Kung maraming never nag-fail sa akin, ito yung bagay na yun. It never fails me. That is why you should trust this strategy. Thanks for watching.